What's up? Planning on doing the oil change for the Husqvarna 701. I got the 2 oil things that go on either side of it because there's 2 oil screens, one right here and one right there. There's 2 oil screens as well that you can clean out and do whatever with. Damn, I look good. Now I look cool. All right, so I guess the first thing we got to do is lift it up. I already warmed it up and everything. And of course, I am joined by Chad the Moto Dog. That didn't work either time. I have never had as much trouble getting it up on a center stand than I am right now. Oh, fuck you. All right, well, it's up. And that's all that matters, right? Come here. Yay! Okay, now he won't leave me. 2 bolts underneath the shift that I want to remove. 10, no, 14, yes. Oh, 13? 13. Here it is, this cap. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Wow. Oh, I guess I should say I have like 400 odd miles on it. Okay. The oil looks like oil. Looking at the little magnet thing, hopefully it picks up pretty good. There's a little bit of whatnot at the tip, but as expected. Alrighty. How about these? Sick. That's a smaller screen than I thought. I'm looking at it. Yeah, there are some flakes in there. But again, we're just breaking in the bike. So it's within reason that there would be flakes on it. Now over here, the screen is right there on the front. Oh no, fan, don't blow away the oil. Oh well. This one's got less, but they're still present. Oh my gosh, now I got oil everywhere. We're on to the little thingies, these little filters on either side, which require, how much do you want to guess? 9. All right, 9. Fuck. It's 8. Hey. All right. Oh, never mind. It'll just get all oily, I guess. All right. The O-ring. It looks like an O-ring. I'm gonna leave it. The O-rings don't come with the 2 filters that you buy for it. So you just get the filters, and then yeah, I had to go into the store to actually get the O-rings themselves. Fuck. There it is. Let's give it a quick inspection. I don't see too much flakes in there. No, pretty clean. Hey Siri, turn on my flashlight. Thank you, Siri. You're the best. It looks pretty good in there. Okay, this side of the bike takes the shorter fuel filter because there's 2 filters, and this side is the shorter one. And this is what it looks like. Both sides look exactly the same. And then I'll put the new oil filter. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and seal this on up. All right, I put it on, I give it a push. It's completely seated all the way around with the old oil filter, old O-ring still in there. 4.4 foot-pounds or something, so right there. All right, on the side, it's right there. Good thing I left all the tools on the other side of the bike. Built harder, not smarter. That's on tighty. Now it's on loosey. Yep. Oh! Here, you watch the dog. I am going to go get some more rags. Ow. Pretty shit pick. Hey. In bay. Oh no, not in my lap. You're very, very hot. Bro, I cannot get this little thing out. I'm gonna pause the video until I get this out. Okay, got the thing out, right? It came out this way. And I had to use like a pick, and I went at it from like this and I grabbed it. But look, it scratched up that like pretty bad. That's annoying as hell. But now, let's just put the other filter in, like that. Just back in there. God, fuck, fucking, fuck. Okay, that should do. This thing, throw it back in the hole there. I'm keeping the same crush washer because I didn't get a new one. And it's like 14 pounds or something. Yeah, that'll do. Do the same over here with this oil screen. Okay, so the camera thingy did die, but I mean, like, we're still at the same place. So I just threw the screen in there. Yeah, and then I just put this thing on and tightened it down. And in the process of getting the new GoPro battery, Motorcycle Dog decided he wanted to be inside, so that's where he'd be right now. Yeah, that's tightened. Ah, that shit is disgusting. Yeah, and you can see the little metal flakes in the paper towel. Slide that all the way in. Yoink. It does have an O-ring, and there's O-rings on the thing like I said, but I'm not replacing any of those because I don't have any of those. It says 8.8 foot-pounds on the little doodle bob, but it kind of bottoms out right there. So I think that's all it wants. Back through everything and make sure they're all tightened like they're supposed to be. Hi-ya, hi-ya. Hi. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right, I guess we can start adding oil. It says it wants 10W50, so we got a little bit of 10W50 right here. Yeah. JSO Ma reading or whatever, JSO MA. All right, I think this funnel's long enough. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, that looks in the middle. Now I'm gonna turn it on and let it run for a little bit. So I ran it a little bit, just for a little bit, and the oil level went down a little bit, so I'm gonna add a little more. Oh, yeah, a little more. Alrighty. So there's the little screen right there. Oil's in the middle. Let it run again and see if it goes down some more. After running it and turning it off, oil is coming back up. Woo-hoo. 500 miles. So I just hold down left button and it resets that. Boop. There we go. When that hits about 3,000, I guess, I'll do another one. It wants 6,000, but that's kind of a lot. That's more than I would do. Okay, now I get to do the fun part of cleaning up. You will be like my girl. Alrighty, so that is now done. I don't have to worry about that anymore. Fantastic. I am not sweaty at all. Nothing bad happened. Okay, bye.